Here's how to play Reckless Love. Before I spoke a word, you were singing over me. You have been so, so good to me. Before I took a breath, you breathed your life in me. You have been so, so kind to me. And oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh, it chases me down, fights till I'm found, leaves the 99. And I couldn't earn it, and I don't deserve it, still you give yourself away. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. When I was your foe, still your love fought for me. You have been so, so good to me. When I felt no worth, you paid it all for me. You have been so, so good to me. And oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh, it chases me down, fights till I'm found, leaves the 99. And I couldn't earn it, and I can't deserve it, still you give yourself away. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. No shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. There's no wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. There's no shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. No wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh, it chases me down, fights till I'm found, leaves the 99. And I couldn't earn it, I don't deserve it, still you give yourself away. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Now that one's really easy to play. In the chorus, E minor 7, D, C. Those three chords. E minor 7, D, C. Through the chorus. Excuse me, through the verse. Three chords. In the chorus, you'll have a fourth chord. It's still the same E minor 7, D, C, but then you go to a G. Make it 4. E minor 7, D, C, G. And you will play that during the chorus and the bridge. So the verse has 3, E minor, D, C, E minor, D, C. The chorus and the bridge have 4, E minor, D, C, G, E minor, D, C, G. just repeat those chords. Put a little attitude into it. When you play it. That's the trick to that. In fact, most songs, any song you play, a whole lot of it is just putting some emphasis into it, some attitude, some emotion. Don't just go 1, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, for I spoke a word. No, you do play it like that. Don't play it like this. 1, 2, 3, before I spoke a word, 2, 3. Now, if that's all you can do right now while you're learning, that's fine. Do the best you can. But as you get used to making those changes, put a little boom,